Is localized memory management logic pathing failed due to the Memory Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. As we look at the manual steps for Memory Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Memory Library, a generic library name typically used in game modding or diagnostic tools. It facilitates localized pointer scanning and memory address hooking within an active process. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Missing Memory Library. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized memory management logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing memory library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Replacing Memory Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Memory Library. To keep Memory Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.